sweet chili tofu coming from your girl Shelly's Jamaican Baker and Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, set that notification bell, drop a comment, like up the video. It is free. I drained all the water from my tofu. Then I use a paper towel to wrap this to get all the excess water out and grease paper. Tofu has lots of water. Once I pat dry, I'll be slicing because I'll be making some sweet chili tofu. I slice them however you want, and I'll be frying these in some coconut oil. For seasonings, I use salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and a little garlic. You can't tell me this is not vegan because I did not use any chicken broth. I did not use any beef broth or beef seasoning or chicken seasoning. All natural powdered seasonings, seasoned on both sides. Tofu has a taste which it has to be acquired. Don't care how much you season it, it doesn't really seep through for it to have that much flavor and taste. Hence the reason why I'll be doing this fried and then in some sauce. Gathered some cornstarch and I use the same ingredients which I will drop in the description box that I used to season the tofu in my cornstarch. Quick and easy dinner recipe, brunch, lunch, whatever you choose. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget, guys, thank you for the support. Don't forget to give the video a like and just watch the little short video them. You all so mean. Heated some coconut oil and then I added my tofu each side. It took a minute or so to get the color that I want, which you will see to get this crispy. And check out other tofu videos that I have on my YouTube channel. Check out my playlist. Okay, look at them. Tofu, golden brown. Remove them when they have gotten the acquired color that you want. Then I added a little more olive oil to my pot. I don't want them swimming in no oil, so I just use a little hint. Then I added the rest. Flip them over. Once they start to get golden brown, your tofu is done. Now, once I got to this point, I'm about ready to make my sauce. For my sauce, I use some already made sweet chili sauce, a little piece of Jamaican pepper, some hot sauce, a little ketchup, some honey, and then I just allow this to boil, I would say for a minute or two. Added some chili flakes because that's a girl business. And then I'll be dousing or adding the tofu in this. Then once I dip them in the sauce, I just flip them over. Look at this. Delicious, delectable, looking all juicy. And let me tell you something, my husband enjoyed this. This tasted really delicious, and you too should try this sweet chili tofu. On the side, I served a little basmati rice with this sweet chili tofu. Quick and easy dinner recipe in 30 minutes. Look at dinner. Feel free to add whatever you want. I didn't have any salad or anything, just a quick, easy dinner in the week. Don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this tofu recipe. Catch you, bye.